Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Awesome car, guys. Car was actually restored in 2012, complete frame-up restoration. Very nicely done. Really cool color combination. Factory gold car. It also has a factory gold interior. You see the black vinyl top. It's also got the black hood striping. Go-wing. This was a factory 3D3 car. It now has actually a 512 cubic inch big block in it that just flies, guys. This thing will absolutely get up and go. It's got air grabber hood. They added the air grabber hood. That was not original. But like I say, very nicely done. Car runs and drives excellent. Slick paint. Real cool car. Just like I say, if you're looking for something with some horsepower, I think you're really going to dig this car. Again, factory gold car. There is a broadcast sheet in there. There's also a breakdown on the engine. Guy spent $9,000 building the engine alone. Definitely replaced that front bumper. It's got the hood pins. Again, air grabber hood, which does work. A little blurb there I noticed there. Just a little lift mark in your the black paint there on the hood. Paint's really slick though. It's got the front chin spoilers. Beep beep horn works. Again, really nice paint. And when we fired up, the air grabber hood does work. It works a little slow, and I'll show you when you open it up. Because of the AC, they've got to have the little pin over to the side a little bit so it doesn't seal right up to make it work so fast. Glass is nice. You can see how nice that dash is. Dual body color mirrors, vinyl tops in excellent shape. Crazy thing is the car's got 12,000 miles on the resto, so he definitely drove it. Now the engine was just freshened up again too. That was recent, and I've got both receipts for that. But like you say, the original build on the engine was $9 grand, and like you said, runs on pump gas. But it is healthy. It's got the machine gun tips, Flowmaster dual exhaust, got a great sound to it when we fired up. Definitely they've replaced that rear bumper too. Go-wing. I believe it's got all the original body panels on it. See, it's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the correct rally wheels. Air works, air blows cold. Good looking car. I love the chin spoilers. Again, it was an original 3D3 car. It is a true RM Roadrunner. Again, 440, 4-barrel. See what I mean? They've got, for the AC, they've tilted this to the side a little bit so it just doesn't seal up perfect. So it makes the air grabber work a little slower. You know, big deal. They added the air grabber. It wasn't factory. Mopar radiator with the shroud. You can see detailed up. Very nice underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans with a little stall converter like a 3000 stall. There's your fender tag, and the broadcast sheet is in there. And again, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Boy, this stainless around the front window is nice too. That is really nice. Yeah, they've done a nice job on this car. Again, guys, I'm getting your emails, I'm getting your phone calls. I know people are getting a little frustrated. I think I've got about 25 cars here that are not advertised yet. But I'll be honest with you, I've just been really focused on buying cars. I've replaced those door handles. And I've been on the road, man. 4 straight weeks I've been on the road buying cars. I think we're in for a real price jump in classic cars from what I'm seeing. You can see they dyed the bottom little. And you might be able to match that up a little bit better. We'll try to get that color. Like I said, I believe this is original. I've ordered new floor mats for it. They'll be the tan color with the silver Roadrunner in the writing. Just haven't got them in yet. Bucket seats, console, factory dash, even the clock works. But you know, back to, like I say, I've just been really focused on trying to get some cars bought, 'cause I'm a little worried about running out of inventory right now. 12,075, that's on the total build. There's less than 500 miles since the engine was refreshened up, guys. AM FM radio, it's got some aftermarket Mopar gauges. The owner's manual is in the glove box. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 355 rear end. I mean, like I say, this is just a nice car. It's all body color. Factory jack's got a Goodyear bias ply spare. Again, it's all body color in here. There is your broadcast sheet. Again, here's a breakdown of your fender tag, and then here is the dyno sheet on this thing. What was it? 34 horsepower. And then here's everything. You can see $9 grand on the build. Pretty darn cool. And the car's got a real good look to it. It's clean underneath. Doors are nice and clean. I believe those seats have been replaced, but again, I think that, and then probably new carpet, but the dash is definitely original. Those gauges, like I say, the clock works. They have Jordan fired up here. Door handles are nice. Again, dual mirrors. AC works and blows cold. Oh, shut your air back off. It's on. See if I can do this one-handed. Did you flip that on? It does work, guys. Like I say, it's a little slow, but it does work. That's just that seal. I don't know. Now it's not coming up. These cars will drive you nuts sometime. Again, clock works. All your gauges are functional. son of a gun, man. You hear that cam working. Gauges work. Radio?
No.
No on the radio. Blower motor? Oh yeah, we got the AC. We got AC that works, yeah. I don't know what we've done now that the car didn't come up. I'll check that. Like I said, I know that air grabber comes up. It was slow, but it came up. There it goes. That one's blinking slow on that side. Hit your horn. Sometimes you help it. Yeah, it definitely wears. It starting to come up. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.